Hello, friends. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. So, today we'll be learning on Google Analytics for on how to view the report for the landing pages of a website. The traffic that's coming to the landing pages of a website using Google Analytics 4 or GA4. This is also a simple report. It's just directly there in the options, so we can see it. We can view it easily. So I'm just chatting from the dashboard. This is the basic dashboard for the Google Analytics 4. And if you want to see the reports for the landing pages, uh, keep scrolling from the left menus. On the left hand side, you can see some options are there. Come down and you can see acquisition, engagement, monetization. Click on the engagement link, click on the arrow. Just you will be seeing more options under that. Just come down and you can see landing page, which is the last option. Landing page, click on that. Yeah, so this is the report for the landing page. This is the basic report, and if you scroll down, you can see the detailed report for the landing pages. So you can see which all landing pages are bringing the most traffic from your website, and you can also see other options for these landing pages, such as the sessions, users, new users, average engagement time per session, conversions, and more useful information in this report. So that's all how we can see the landing page report in Google Analytics 4. It's very useful for you while preparing reports for your website traffic. And I hope that you understood the video, and you also I also feel that you enjoyed the video. So if you think that this video is useful for you, please make sure to like and provide your feedback in the comment section, and also share it with your friends. And if you're coming for on this channel for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon while subscribing, because if you click on the bell icon, you will be getting notifications on your YouTube profile whenever I upload new videos onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye. Have a great time.